I'm just now testing the tambour door. It's not totally glued together, it's just temporarily taped. You can see the masking tape here on the back holding the slats together. I just wanted to test before doing the final gluing, so I wanted to test this, that I would be able to work the door smoothly before I finalize all the gluing with the canvas on the back. So all that tape will be removed, and I'll use hot-hide glue to fasten that backing of canvas. So this pilaster will be fixed. It'll be glued in. And this pilaster is the handle. It's also temporarily connected with duct tape on the back. It will have a plate back here that screws into a flap of the canvas, so I can actually remove the tambour if I need to by undoing those screws on the back here, and then all the tambour door can be pulled out of the back. I've got an exit groove here in the back. So the original piece did not have any way of removing that tambour for repair, but I wanted a back that I can remove and then get access to the tambour door. Nothing has been finished here with these the slats. There are about 50 of these slats. 25 are just mahogany with a white stringing, and the other 25 I veneered with satin wood, and that has the black stringing. So this seems to be working very smoothly, and it's ready then for the final backing with canvas.